Welcome to Carperformance.se. We're going to show you a high-end product. Our unlimited Carplay is finally done. This is our box. Looks like this. Got one USB cable that plugs into the USB port of the car and one power connector that plugs in, cigarette lighter that plugs in to the 12 volt of the car. It will work in all Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram cars from 2018 and up. The 7-inch, the 8.4-inch, even the 12-inch. All must of course have the Apple CarPlay from factory. It will also work in the 2017 Chrysler 300C, Challenger and Charger that has CarPlay from factory. So here is the 8.4 system from 2018 up. I'm just gonna show you that it's compatible with this unit also. So here you have the factory system, CarPlay. Just added the USB to the hub here. So that's for the 8.4. Total plug and play, extremely easy. This system takes about 30 seconds to boot up once it's done. The box also have extra USB inputs, 2 extra USB inputs for movies or music, one for fast charging your phone, and the other end you got HDMI output, so if you have headrest you can connect that. Then everything shown on the screen will be shown on the screen's back, and the GPS antenna. So it's the unlimited CarPlay. No limitation at all. You can download any apps that you want. Now we have we're just gonna show a short demonstration. Got YouTube. The sound will of course go through the factory speak system, and this will of course also work while the car is in drive. Not to recommend it, but it works. So you can see here we have connected our system to our phone's hotspot. Then in settings you have also language, English, German, Spanish, French, Italian. Not all, but most of the European language. Then also you got more settings. Then you have the Wi-Fi network, the apps that you can control or delete, Google accounts, etc, etc. It also has it of course has the Google Play, so you can download all the apps that you want, Amazon, whatever you want to use. It has voice command. You can just press the steering wheel button like this. Take me to the closest gas station.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that. Say again please.
Take me to the closest gas station.
We are going to the closest gas station.
And of course all the maps, everything that. And you can also connect your phone to the Bluetooth, so when you are in this system and you get a phone call, it will pop up here. You can answer and you can see the name, everything like that. You can also make commands here. Oh, sorry. So
your destination is on the right.
Yeah. So it's an easy, completely plug and play or new unlimited CarPlay box. Clear task, then you stop all the apps that are running in the background. Browser. See, this is just like you having a smartphone on your screen. Fast, completely plug and play, extremely easy. It takes about 10 seconds to install. The car must have CarPlay, of course. Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram 2018 up, some 2017. So thank you for watching, and please enjoy it. It's really nice system. Thank you.